Dear students of class 9th, this is Bashir Ahmad Malik, teacher Government High School Naugam, Zone मावर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कुपवारा। आज हम फिर आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का जो हमने टॉपिक पढ़ा है शेख नूरुद्दीन वली, उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इनके माने में यहाँ पर हैं। तो हमने इसमें पढ़ा शेख नूरुद्दीन वली जो प्रोफेसर गुलाम रसूल मलिक ने लिखा है। इसमें जो है शेख नूरुद्दीन वली रहमतुल्लाह अलैह, ही वॉज अ सेंट पर्सन एंड ही टिल अप टू अभी तक हमने जो पढ़ा है इसमें कि शेख नूरुद्दीन वली रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ही entered into the cave and he spent 12 years there. This was the spiritual training for him, and later on when he came out of the cave and he moved to different places of the Kashmir Valley and to teach the basic principles of Islam to the people of Kashmir. And he also has his gospel. He also has some disciples who and he gave them also this training. Now we will start. When he finally left the cave, he had turned into a dedicated missionary. So the writer says that जब वो केव से निकला, when he left the cave, left, he had turned into a dedicated missionary. He has become a missionary. Missionary means a person undertaking a religious mission. जो कोई मजहबी काम हाथ में लेता है, मिशन कोई हाथ में लेता है, कोई गोल उसका होता है, उसको मिशनरी बोलते हैं। तो वो एक जब वो केव से बाहर निकला, ये एक मिशनरी बन चुका था। He moved from place to place in Kashmir, preaching his simple gospel of fear of God. He goes to from place to place, from various places of Kashmir Valley. He was and preaching means teaching. He teached his simple gospel. What was his ideology? Gospel means ideology. His simple ideology was to fear God. खुदा से डरो and accountability before him after death. And we are accountable before the God after death. Hereafter we have to be answerable before our Almighty. अल्लाह हमें अपने किए का पूरे का हिसाब देना है मौत के बाद। कमिटमेंट टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ट्रूथ, और इसका ये भी गोस्पेल था कि हमें प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ट्रूथ जो है उस पे चलना चाहिए, सच्चाई पे चलना चाहिए, जस्टिस इंसाफ करना चाहिए, एंड लव एंड सर्विस ऑफ मैनकाइंड, एंड वी हैव टू सेपरेट द लव अमन एंड सर्विस ऑफ मैनकाइंड। और हमें इंसानियत को जो है इंसानियत की खिदमत करनी, इंसानों की खिदमत करनी है। By his saintly life, he set an example of simplicity. He was a saint person, and by his saintly life, he set an example. उसने एक मिसाल कायम करी. Example of simplicity. He was a simple person, doing simple, living in a very simple life. Truthfulness, and he was a praiseworthy person, truthful person, honest person, and devoted service of people, and he devoted himself for the service of mankind. लोगों की खिदमत के लिए अपने आप को वक़्फ़ किया। As a missionary, he taught us that a true saint is not one who escapes from life. As a missionary, being a ideological person, being a very pious person, he says that a true saint is a person, is not a person who escapes from life. जो ज़िंदगी से भागेगा, किसी गुफे में बैठेगा, गार में बैठेगा, is not a true saint, but one who does the duties of life. But a true saint is one who does the worldly, who finds himself busy in worldly affairs also, who does the duties of life, जो ज़िंदगी के काम भी करेगा with honesty, ईमानदारी के साथ, and humility, और ह्यूमिलिटी के साथ, डाउन टू अर्थ के साथ, यानी इंसानियत के साथ, शरीफाना अंदाज के साथ, मुखलिस अंदाज के साथ. In one of his verses he tells us that the chosen servant of God are those who worship Him sincerely. In one of his verses, he guides us. He tells us that a true person is one who worships Almighty Allah sincerely. अच्छा आदमी वही है जो अल्लाह ताला की इबादत करते हैं sincerely and fulfill their duties in life regularly. And he the person who is fulfilling his duties, जो अपना काम रेगुलरली कर रहा होगा, अपना ज़िंदगी के जो काम बाकी काम हैं उनको रेगुलरली करता होगा. The sheikh attracted disciples everywhere. So he was attracted by disciples from every corner of the Kashmir Valley. His disciples thronged him. They gathered him. All of them were noble souls, and all these disciples were noble souls. वो भी अच्छे इंसान थे and lived lives of pity, and they were also living the life of devotion to God. Pity means devotion to God, and in the service of their fellow beings, and they were also serving the other people, their fellow beings. The Sheikh won popularity in every nook and corner of Kashmir. Sheikh Nuruddin Wali, he was a famous person, and from every nook and corner of Kashmir, people like him, people appreciate him, he has become famous person in every corner of Kashmir. Kashmiris called him and continue to call him Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah. Now everybody in Kashmir was calling him Sheikhul Alam. As of now, people are calling him Sheikhul Alam. Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah which means a spiritual guide of the world. Sheikhul Alam means spiritual guide of the world. पूरी दुनिया के लिए जो रूहानी guide होगा, or a saint of world stature, and a saint person, a pious person of world status. He has got world status. In world, he has become a famous personality. After setting a shining example of truly saintly life, and when he set an example of, when he became a true saint person and set an example of saintly life, Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah died in Rupwan in 1438 AD, and later on he died at Rupwan. Rupwan is a place in 1438 AD, and was laid to rest in Chai Sharif, and he was later on buried. He was later on he take rest at Chai Sharif. चार शरीफ में फिर वो उसको मदफून है, वो वहाँ पर दफन है वो, और रुफवन एक जगह है वहाँ पर उसकी वफ़ात हो गई. Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah is one of those rare personages of history whose popularity goes on growing even after their death. Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah is considered among those personages. Person means famous person. Among those famous persons, personage means famous persons, who is famous, who has become famous in the world even after his death. उसकी मौत के बाद भी वो कश्मीर के अंदर जो है बहुत मशहूर हो रहा है. People continue to repeat his wise sayings, and his wise sayings are followed by the people, and people are people are repeating his wise sayings day by day, and sweet verses and his sweet verses. One of his sayings is that unposted one, which is a very famous saying, that our agriculture, it depends upon the forests. Years after his death, coins were stuck in his name during the Afghan rule, and when the Afghanis were ruling over the Kashmir, they stuck the coins. They inscribed his name on the coins, on their coins. यानी coinों में उन्होंने इसके नाम को वहाँ पर inscribe किया as a mark of honor during the war over Kashmir. Today, numerous trusts and educational institutions exist in his name. Today in Kashmir Valley, numerous means various educational institutions and trusts have been given his name. उसके नाम वहाँ पर उनको उन educational institutions और trusts को दिया गया. These include the Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah Alayh a chair at the University of Kashmir. In University of Kashmir, there's a trust, Sheikhul Alam chair at the University of Kashmir, and the Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah Alayhi museum at the University of Jammu. And in Jammu University, there is Sheikhul Alam University of Sheikhul Alam museum in University of Jammu. So this was something about this great personage, Sheikhul Alam Rahmatullah Alayhi, who became the personage, who became the spiritual guide, not only for the Kashmiris but for the whole Ummah, for the whole, but for the whole Muslims of the world. Not only for the Muslims but the Hindus also follow his sayings. So I think we have understood something about this great personage. Here are some words. You can find the meaning of these words: missionary, gospel, ideology, accountability means state of being accountable, escapes to get away from a place, humility, down to earthness, pity, devotion to God, stature means status, personage means famous person, numerous, various, to strike a coin, inscribe a name of a person on a coin as a mark of honor. Thank you.